Hello crafty friends, welcome back to our another video. So far I did 3 tags using my tag art journal kit Friends and Coffee that you can find in Etsy. Link will be on the description below. So this time I'm going to use one of the tags that is made of watercolor paper. It's nice and thick, so it can be used for different type of craft projects. So, for example, I'm not going to do any watercolor on this tag, but I'm going to do some blending with distress ink, starting with the vintage photo, one of my favorite colors. So I will start from the bottom and give a nice base of brown color. It's going to be a lot of brown in this card. I do love the effect that the distress ink does on watercolor paper. I really like it. Anyway, while I do that, you can listen to some music and I'll catch you soon. Bye. I will be using one of the stencil that come in the kit, that is the coffee stains, and I will use a couple of more of distress ink. I will write down the description below all the details. This one is walnut stain. It's your time to party and get down like before. I decide to add a hot chocolate stain, and I use as distress ink a brown that is a bit more reddish. It's called aged mahogany. It's quite nice and quite warm. It's your time to party and get down like before. It's your time to party and get down like before. I do love this background already. Now I'm going to use some of the die cuts that come in the kit. So a couple of cups, or maybe one takeaway cup, one of those ceramic cup, and the word coffee. I don't think I'm going to make any tea this time, so I'm going to put the tea bags away, and then I will start coloring what I need to color. I will do the same kind of effect on the coffee words that I did on the tag, with the brown coming from the bottom to the top. I'm gonna use Photo Vintage again. Oh no, actually, I think I use a different type of color this time. It's brush Corduroy. I'm not sure what Corduroy is, but the color is quite nice, very coffee. The kit comes with some art on the die cut section, so I'm gonna color this one with the warm lipstick, and I'm gonna color after the takeaway cup because the tag is a bit too browny, so it needs some colors. It's your time to party, and get down like before. Party, like before. time to assemble the card to see if it works. So we got our takeaway cup there, and then the cup on front, the little holder, and the little red heart there. There we go. Yeah, I think it works. I might give you some shadow on the disposable cup just to, yeah, give you a bit more natural looking, realistic looking, I would say. For my sentiment, I used this little things that I got from Amazon for a couple of quid. It's kind of old-fashioned manual label maker, but I really like the effect that it gave on the writing. And they're stickers, so I can attach them directly to the tag. So very convenient. So let's see how it come up. Time to use my black line pen to go all around the sentence with little rectangles like that. Very, very simple. And then after that I will use my uniposca to give some highlights here and there in the card. this point I'm not sure what happened to my camera, but it went completely out of focus. I'm really sorry about that. But what I did, I just had some glossy accent, and then I went all around the tag with the black pen just to give some lines very quickly. There you go, and some fox stitches. And basically the card is done, or the tag in this case, but it could, as I said, it could be made as a card if you want to. And let me just move the focus, there you go. So I hope you enjoy, I hope you had a bit of fun and got inspired maybe. If you did, just don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.